Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I was inspired by the Super Bowl. Her hair looks so good that day. I mean, every day, every time that she glams up, her hair looks amazing. And having in mind that Valentine's is right around the corner, I wanted to incorporate this hairstyle on myself for a Valentine's look. What better way than mesh those two together, a J-Lo hairstyle and a Valentine's look for Valentine's Day. Very easy, very fast, and with tiny bit of products. You don't need much, trust me. So if you want to see how I created this look and maybe you want to do it on yourself or on someone else, then I suggest you to keep on watching. Before that, wait, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe. Help a sister out. All you're gonna need for this hairstyle, you know, we're trying to look cute but not spend too much time, too much effort, too much money, too much anything. So you're gonna need a big 2-inch curling iron, hairspray, and a texturizing spray. Pretty simple. 3 things. Why are we going to complicate our life? I'm going to use a texturizing spray. You may be wondering, why would I need that? The reason I'm using a texturizer on my hair, even though I have a lot of hair, is because the wand that I'm using is big. So whatever it's going to do to it, it's going to hold it very lightly. It's a thick curling iron, so it needs that extra help and extra push in order to stay together and fluff and be fluffy. I'm sorry, fluff. I'm going to part it down to my neck and bring it forward. My hair is pretty on the medium long side thing. I'm gonna put it for my hair at 400. I know, sounds crazy, I know, but I know what I'm doing. If you don't, if your hair is super thin, don't go past 300, please. From the back of my ear, I'm going down. And this is going to be my front part, so let's pop it to the front. Oh, I look so pretty. Now I'm going to grab about 1 inch at a time. Well, that's a little more, but okay. I'm going to grab my big curler and curl out. I'm looking up here because this is where I have the mirror. You see, it barely gives away, and that's fine. Grab another inch. Twist it out of your way. And you want to do the same thing. Midway, twist it out. I want to leave it midway here for a little more than usual because this is where all the weight will be. Then we let go, and that is what you get. I want to continue to do that all around. So this is definitely a effortless type of curl wave, not necessarily a curl, because this all it will give you is a wave. I already did this part, and as you can see, this is what we have so far. And I'm just keeping them like that, putting them to the back while I do everything else, making sure that they cook in that position until I'm done. So before I continue with this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Same thing. I think I have more hair on this side. I don't know if you guys ever, you know, come across that. Every time that I part my hair down the middle, this part seems to be fuller compared to this side. Now again, grabbing about 1 inch worth of hair, twisting it out. Grab. Wait for it a couple of seconds on the mid shaft or upper midsection. You want to leave it for a little longer because again, that area is the one that takes up all the weight. That takes care of all the weight. So you want to ensure and secure it. Whoa. There. Probably look funny looking up. It's because my mirror is up there. And then you let it out. Hold it a little bit while you wait for it to chill. So the good thing about this bigger curling iron is that you could grab more hair per section compared to these smaller ones. So it makes it quicker. We're done with this side, as we can see. Then I will start with this, with the front part. So same thing, grabbing about an inch or even more, and then doing the same thing out. And then we let it out, hold it in place for a couple seconds. Whoa, that was close. We're gonna leave this section out. I want to take care of the other of this side and then go with that. I remember when I was young, I had it was my first communion. No, it was my confirmation actually. So my parents, you know, did a little thing and gathering. The only thing that I would do to myself, because I believe I was like 16. I didn't do I didn't do makeup on myself, but I would always do my hair. So I would curl it, right? So, and on that day I was curling, or I was doing something up here, and the hot iron fell right on my nose. Yeah, it fell on my nose and it burned me, of course. So I was in my, you know, gathering slash wannabe party, whatever, with a burnt nose. And I had a scar for some time until I believe it just faded away. But it was right on the tip, right over here. So the wand or the curler landed right there. I've also burned my wrists. And till this day I have the mark. The little mark, and it's painful. I've burned my fingertips. I've also burned my neck. I remember. Okay, so this top part, what I'm gonna do is, instead of grabbing this big chunk and curling it, I'm going to divide it into two. So I'll first start with the back one, and when I start with the back one, I want to comb it upwards and grab my curler in that same position, because that's where I want the volume to be. Right there, hold it in that position. I'm not sure if you guys can see, like that. So it's up. So when it falls down, it has that natural volume without teasing. And then you let it out. Hold it in place. I sometimes, depending with time, I like to pin it up just like that, so I could take out the best volume possible from that curl. Now I do the same thing with this one. I brush it upwards, put it up. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see. Just like that. Hold it in that position, going up. Oh, my forehead. Yeah, I have a big forehead. And then we let go. Just like that. Okay, I don't move it. I don't touch it. If anything, before I go to the other one, I'm going to spray. Just a little bit. Let it down. Turn this off. And then we're going to spray. Let me spray this front part. You guys can see. Now what I like to do is I like to part it again. Just look at that. I'm not doing anything to it. And I'm going to spray. Going to run my fingers through it. And just like that, you have your nice waves, curls, however you want to call them, beautiful hair. Brought to you by Adhay. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And remember, if you like what you've seen, give this video a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you're interested on the makeup look that I have right now, I did film the makeup look on my previous video, so if you haven't watched that yet, I highly suggest you do. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.